Hello YouTube, this is A-Ikyo Einstein from Forest Science. I will be doing a Python tutorial.
We're doing more programming. So my major aim with us doing this Python series is, to all due respect, a lot of all the other tutorials on YouTube and all over, a lot of them are a bit dull. No insults to the people that make them. Just because it's programming doesn't mean everybody has to be so uptight and serious, and that's why God blessed me to be a kid. So now I'm going to, even if the last episode didn't show it, I'm going to try my best to put as much life into every single code that we make. Maybe throw in a few puns if I may be able to. So without further ado, let's continue this. So last time I promised you guys that we'll be doing def defines, but probably I think this video should have been uploaded the same day. Sorry if it wasn't, but if yes, if no, let's do this. So def, we will be doing defining. We will still be using the shell, for our work here, not the major one. And now we'll be doing def. So once again, what's a def? First off, def is a reserved word and it defines stuff. Defines a lot of stuff. So it may not look powerful. Of course, it's very powerful. It's very important because it allows you to summarize code, a large amount of code, into a small space that can be utilized easily. And when we advance, you really need to know. So I think that going to doing depth could be like jumpy, but don't worry, it's not that jumpy. I promise I'll do it as easy and simple as possible, and then we'll go back to the other ones and do those ones simple. The simpler ones will go back, will loop backwards. Okay, but here I would like us to know depth, a lot more on depth. So let's depth. First, let's ask ourselves a question. Remember that age second thing that we did? Yeah, I'm sure that none of us want to repeatedly do it. So let's make a depth. So we have depth age. You have to put your brackets. You have to put that, and you enter. You see, yeah, we'll start coding in our module Python, not just the shell. And we'll also start using PyCharm, this handsome dude down here, if you can even see it. But yeah, we will start doing it soon, very soon. So to convert age into seconds, but first thing that we'll do is get our age. That is age, right? Is equals to input, another result word that we used last time, and whatever you want to type, enter your age. Enter your age. Good. I'll put this for our decoration. Now, who said you have to? Being organized as a programmer, it's not bad. Yeah, input, enter your age. Now, we're going to redefine age. When you redefine something, you're getting its old value and you're giving it a new value. This way, we can reduce the amount of parameters that are flying up and down. I will say age is equals to the integer version of age. And don't worry, this will not give you an error. Calm down, you're a human being, you can get it. All we're saying is that the new value of age is equals to the number form of age. I hope that was not confusing. Tell me in the comments if that was confusing or not. And also subscribe for more good content. And then we'll get our ants, right? So that's age multiplied by everything in the bracket. We're putting bracket for the sake of board mass. So remember there are 365.25 days in a year times how many? 24 hours in a day. Fun fact, did you know that there are actually not 24 hours in a day? There are about 23 points. So yeah, that's amazing. They had to put 24 because, well, our clock wouldn't fit if it was 23. It's an odd number which cannot even be divided. Prime number. It's an odd prime number. So you get the reason why they had to make it 24, but we really have 23 hours in a day. Amazing stuff. So for every hour there are 60 minutes. For every minute there are 60 seconds. So if you want, you can throw in milliseconds. I don't care. Okay, then we can do what should we do? Print. I'm so sorry. Print 8. We're gonna print our age like this. There we go. Now I just put pass. You don't have to put pass. It works fine if you don't put pass. I just wanted the indents to clear since we're not using the normal model, we're using shell. So now in order to make this work, we have to do age with its brackets. We'll press enter and it'll ask us, enter your age. Remember, if we do this, it's gonna give us an error because you can't convert letters into numbers. So just showing you. Now if we do it again, if we do this again and we enter my real age 14, it will print what? That's weird. Let me just okay, guys, I know exactly. I don't know what just happened. I did age. It's supposed to be ants. No. And this is not the body. I'll do something. Wow, that was embarrassing. There. Now. Oh wait, I haven't. No, I didn't fix it. I did. Just flip it. Just. No, why? Okay, I will just quickly change this to ants. I can't believe I made such a mistake. I'm such a clot. Now it should work better. So now if we do age bracket, enter your age. I'm 14. Okay, people. I found the issue. I found the problem. I didn't do anything here. It's supposed to be times. I didn't put it times. I'm so dumb. How could I make such a mistake? This is embarrassing. This is flopful. Usually I only make such mistakes in Minecraft. Oh no! Okay, never mind. I fixed it and this time it's gonna work. So we do age and we put 14. Yes! So there are tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, there are 441,806,400 seconds approximately in my life. Well, that's kind of inaccurate if we were to use the months and everything, but that's not bad. It's an average anyway, because next year is going to change. So cool, right? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, so that's it there. And the best part about this now is that you can just do this age and then you can put any age of your choice. And the thing that makes this much more special than the other one, you can remove this by saying ants is equals to int ants. That will make it an integer and this will go away. The thing that makes it more special is, despite the fact I made a mistake, now anytime you want to do it again, you can just say age and it's international. You just enter your age. However, many seconds my little brother has. My younger brother has. Let me see. This international. Wow. This international. So gap of 2 years with a lot of seconds. This international. No, wait, no, that's the wrong. This international. Oh, you peeps. This international. You've done it all. That is death, people. That is death. But then, what happens when you don't have it? We'll get back to that later. So now you know what a depth is. And sincerely, if you're a bit confused of this video, write in the comments. I'm starting another video session called programming answers. And if you can ask me a coding question, in this video or anything, I'll read the comments from our video. I'll read the comments from any video, that we upload that program in any form, and I will give you an answer. I'm very sorry for what your comment. I'll make sure I do see and I answer. Well, this is A-Ikyo Einstein on the door, signing off. Goodbye, people. Have a nice day.
Thank you all so much for watching the video, and don't forget to LCSS. Bye everybody. See you next time.